Hi, this is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of submitting a warranty claim for Lange hair. Lange hair stands for beauty, quality, and confidence, but even the best styling tools can experience issues. That's where we come in. Our warranty claim guide is here to help you easily navigate the process. Everything you need is laid out clearly in just 3 simple steps. Visiting our website will clear up any confusion you may have about the warranty claim process, as it straightforwardly summarizes the entire procedure. After step 3, you'll find Lange hair's contact details, including their email and mailing address. Click the first link, langehair.com/help-center. On their website, you'll find several ways to contact Lange hair's customer support team, including chat, an email form, and a text number. Select the chat option to connect with a live agent, then choose Do Tools Have a Warranty? To view the 1-year limited warranty details. When you choose to chat with an agent, you'll need to provide your name and email address before being connected. You can explain the issue to them and request a replacement for your product. Once they review your case, the support team will contact you shortly via email. If your product qualifies under the manufacturer's warranty, they'll guide you through the replacement process. Once your replacement is shipped, you'll receive tracking details. You can then dispose of the defective item and enjoy your new replacement. That's everything for today. Best of luck with your Lange hair warranty claim. Before I sign off, I want to remind you that if you ever face any challenges or have questions about your warranty process, we're here to assist. Simply visit the Warranty Valet website, where we've successfully helped countless customers navigate their warranty needs. You're not alone. We're ready and eager to help you, too.